Hey, welcome back. Today is December 25th, Friday, and Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you guys are taking some time off the charts and doing more relaxation because most likely I know I will, given that nothing crazy goes on in the markets. On this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets really quickly before diving into the graph, GRTUSD. See what's going on since the last time we have spoken. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. Most importantly, I do want to take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into. I already did a more detailed post on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action in my last post today on Uniswap. So if you guys would like to take a look at that post I made today, you guys can take a look at that to see more details on the markets. But what I am actually looking at right now is on the 3-day time frame, where I did see possible bearish divergence on the Bitcoin dominance charts. Looking for this to pull back and actually give more opportunities for trading altcoins. Let's see if this actually happens. Let's see if this will actually be a short pullback or a trend that could last for the next few days. Okay, and taking a closer look on the smaller time frame here, on the hourly time frame, I did see since yesterday that the price action has actually broke below the 21 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average, forming somewhat of a falling wedge pattern. However, the price action now on the Bitcoin dominance chart has broken back on top of those two moving averages, which may not be as good looking for the altcoins right now. The measured target of this falling wedge pattern is about 70%. Let's see if the price action on Bitcoin dominance will either continue trending back up, or will it continue taking a pullback, making it better for trading altcoins. But still got to be taking into consideration of Bitcoin price action, because if Bitcoin price action pulls back while Bitcoin dominance trends upwards, still very dangerous for altcoins, as you guys may have seen earlier this week already. Now on Bitcoin price action, I'm focusing on the daily time frame because initially I did say that there was a possible ascending triangle pattern that was forming. Does look like the price action has actually broken on top of that top trend line of the ascending triangle pattern, but something I'm paying attention to right now is on the RSI on the daily time frame. We still have about 24 minutes left. If the RSI actually looks like this by the time it closes, there could be possible bearish divergence on the Bitcoin price action chart, which may not be good for the altcoins in this case, okay? And if the bearish divergence actually plays out, I would be a lot more inclined to actually see that this is going to be a rising wedge pattern instead, because that could signal a pullback, possibly back to the bottom trend line of this rising wedge pattern then, okay? So something I'll be paying very close attention to before I even look at any altcoins. Now let's take a look into the graph, GRTUSD. Most apparently on the 12-hour time frame, I have seen a falling wedge pattern that has formed since even the last post, okay? Falling wedge patterns are bullish reversal patterns, 68% chance of it breaking upwards. If it actually does break upwards, the measured target is about 67 cents. Of course, that it's only theory, may or may not be reached by taking the distance of the opening of the pattern and then adding it back on top of the expected breakout points. There's quite a bit of resistance between the possible breakout points and the measured target. Now the measured target is assuming that it will break out by tomorrow, December 26th, 12 o'clock UTC, okay? Now, possible resistances are going to be these fib levels right here. One's at about 37 cents, which the price action is basically at right now. And then the next will be at 46 cents, 54 cents, and finally 64 cents. Those are going to be some resistance levels I will be expecting. Of course, also got to take into consideration of the moving averages that could be acting as resistance as well on the hourly, 4-hour, 6-hour. I don't see anything from the 12-hour up yet, but there could be by the time it breaks out. So something to still be paying attention to on the 12-hour time frame. Now that is a very short evaluation of what the market is doing right now. Let's see which way the price action will break maybe by sometime tomorrow, because the range here is already getting pretty tight. Unless it gets tighter, the price action is able to get tighter and actually extend this falling wedge out, then we could be looking at something else there. Now let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios. Bullish case scenario, very clear. If the price action just breaks out of this falling wedge pattern to the upside, and then I'll be looking at a measured target of 67 cents. Like I said, may or may not be reached. 68% chance of it breaking upwards. Quite a bit of resistance, like I just listed, that could be rejecting the price action. Bearish case scenario is, of course, if the price action fall out of this bottom trend line, then maybe I would have to invalidate this falling wedge pattern or adjust the bottom trend line for it to account for further, steeper, and possibly quicker downward price action, okay? If the price action actually breaks back below this bottom trend line right here, the major support I am looking at right now is the 0.25 fib level right here, the 0.23 fib level at about 25.5 cents, okay? That is the next major level key support I'm looking at if the price action breaks below this bottom trend line. Now, this concludes my very short update on the graph GRTUSD. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear from you. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time, and Merry Christmas.